Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be making the filling for the Peshwari naan. Quite simple, quite easy to do. I'll show you how to make naan breads, naan doughs, everything. This is the filling. I haven't shown you the filling yet, so we're nearly there. Very simple. You need some raisins, cream, could be double or single, doesn't matter. Almond powder. So this is almond powder, and then you've got sugar. You don't need this much. But I've just got it here. So it all just goes in together. Around 3 spoons of almond, 2 teaspoons of sugar, a few raisins, about 2 or 3, some cream. Cream is about 3 or 4 tablespoons, I'd say. And then you just mix it all together. Should become a dough. If it's not doughy, just add a bit more almond in there. That's it. So it should become like this, like doughy. You can chop the raisins as well. We do actually chop the raisins, but I didn't chop it here. If you like them whole, you can keep them whole. If you like it chopped, chop it. So yeah, you should get this kind of like a dough. You can put it in the fridge for quite a while. It'll say it will get more thicker in the fridge, get much more doughy. Add a little bit more almond powder. And that should do about 2 or 3 naans. You'll definitely get 2, 3 probably. We squeeze for 4. And there you have it, a Peshwari naan filling.